Colby, when she drops her hand, it's go time. All right, are you ready? All right, guys, welcome back to another epic episode of Quad Nation. So as you can see, there's the beautiful Miss Quad Nation, looking lovely as always. Super cute on that Raptor 90. But no, we are not racing her today. Maybe another day, but we're not gonna hurt her feelings today. We're gonna hurt his feelings. Yes, this is the epic race between Big Red and Megatron. So we have the CRF 250R, fully rebuilt, top to bottom, all new bearings, crank, piston, you name it, we did it. But it is stock factory specs, okay? We didn't up the compression or anything. So this is gonna be a very, very, very good, awesome real life race between a stock CRF 250R and a Yamaha Raptor 700. Well, let's go ahead and line these bad boys up. We're gonna line them up, get a photo up, and we're gonna be on. All I'm gonna ask is that me and him are gonna be on the quad and the bike, and if you'll just get in front of us and take one picture, and then one picture on an angle. Sound good? What's going on, brother?
Your new electric bike.
Oh, that thing is so quiet. I didn't know Tesla made CRFs.
It's a new partnership.
Oh, okay, so is stocks going up then? I'm gonna buy some more Tesla stocks.
I would too.
Colby, when she drops her hand, it's go time. All right, are you ready? Oh, got a bad start. Oh man, he's smoking me. Holy crap. Oh my God. Wow, the CRF smoked me. Holy smoly! Wow! Big Bad Eric! Drop your hand, bro! Not in the middle! Not in the middle! Oh, shoot! God! We're having a hard time hooking up! He got me again! Looks like top end's dead even. I'm gonna hook up this time. I think top end's almost dead even, but I'm having a hard time hooking up, man. Here we go, on you. No, on you. We'll do roll on the pavement. On you. I hooked up much better there. Oh! No, no!
How about on you?
I like the challenge, on you. I like the challenge, on you. We'll have to see what happens on pavement. Are you ready? I'm gonna try my hardest to hook up, brother. That bike is just too quick on takeoff. On you! No? Oh, got it! He's too quick. Oh, he is too quick. Yeah, cannot compare. Wow, man. I kind of felt like that bike was faster, but I really did not think it was that much faster. That is unreal.
Switching?
Yep, switching. Oh, shoot. Ooh, she's starting up nice. Ah, you ready? On you, since you're a little slower. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see if the older brother, Quad Nation here, can beat little brother. He seems to be doing a little bit better than me today. I just can't go full send in first through third because it wants to come up. So I'm gonna try to get as far forward as I can on this seat, see if I can keep her down. On you! Ah, missed the gear. She is faster on top end. She is faster on top end. Wow. She is faster all the way around. Now I don't think I can keep the Raptor pegged for a long time and not worry about it overheating or blowing up, but I don't know about this bad girl. You guys let me know in the comment, how long can you safely hold this thing wide open throttle? It was pulling on the Raptor though. That is insane. That is insane. Wow. Let's do it again. Full send, guys, full send. Here we go. On me. Alright guys, as it would be here in Florida, of course it's going to rain on us while we're trying to conduct these epic races. Alright! On me! On me! Ready? That was awesome. That's how it's supposed to go. There you go, Quad Nation. Oh man, let me clean this lens. Did you guys see how squirrely it was getting? Holy crap. Hey! Hey! Let's do it again! On me! Oh! Got really squirrely on that one. Man! That was wild! What is it, brother?
I started in second. That was much better.
Oh, you cheater! Don't do that! Start off at first! That's what first gear's for! After the bridge, let's hit it again. Here we go, guys. Couple more rounds. You guys make a decision on who do you think was overall better. On me! Oh, hell yeah! I'm just getting better. That's what it is. I'm just getting warmed up. Let's do it again, bro. I'm getting warmed up. Let me clean the lens. I hate doing that to you guys, but I'm sure you'd rather that than a water drop. How about on you this time, since I'm smoking you? Oh, hell yeah! Oh, smoked them again. And guys, I hate to say it, but my back camera has died, so you guys are not able to really see it well, me leaving him in the dust. On you again. You can do second gear this time. Hold on up here. You guys seen that? Again, I had a bad hole shot, but I still was able to pull through mid-range. One last time, right here. I had a bad hole shot. One last time, Bubba. On you. Shot again, but hey, you know what? As part of racing, you don't get a second try. Here we go, brother. One last time on the pavement. On you. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, guys. I could not couldn't be happier with this build. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below which one you think is overall faster. It's pretty obvious, I think. CRF is just faster all around, top end and whole shot. But if you have a different opinion, please let me know. Let me know down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Also, if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And to all my subscribers, thank you for all your support. And before I say I'm out, let's see if I can get them to pull one more time. One last pull, big dog. Here we go. On me!